We're in Canary Wharf today to go on the Skuna hot tub boats. Wacky and weird, I know, but I'm pretty sure we'll have some fun. The check-in process is very quick and you'll have options of purchasing food and drink for your hot tub. You are allowed to bring your own food and drink, just not alcohol. The alcohol has to be purchased from schooner boats. You have to designate your captain of the hot tub, so-called Mr. Hot Tub Captain. The captain will be responsible of the boat while it's in the water and they can't partake in any of the drinking. You get the boat for around 2 hours, which I think is more than enough time to enjoy. I decided to make the most of the day and as usual dressed in fancy dress, much to the enjoyment of other boat users and to onlooking pedestrians. As you saw at the start of the video, there is a map and a route that you're advised to go along, but trust me, there is plenty of freedom to pretty much go where you want within that area and explore Canary Wharf. We were very lucky it was such a hot day. It was 32 degrees in London. Normally the hot tub is heated by a coal fire, which is what the funnel was used for at the front, but because it was so hot we asked if they could turn it off because we didn't want to melt or roast. The total cost for the group was around £160 and that includes 2 hours in the hot tub boat. So that worked out about £40 each, and all things considering, I think it's quite a fair price for the experience. The only downside was that the boat doesn't actually drive that well. There's no speed regulation, it's either full forward or full back, and it doesn't really go that fast. And steering to rudder wasn't calibrated that great, so you had to improvise in parts and just cross your fingers.
Nice, cost nothing.
Is this Ollie?
He lost at least one sip of beer. That's unacceptable for a son of mine.
I have a few tips if you're thinking about going on the Skuna hot tub boat. Number 1, go on the weekend. I've heard a lot of bad reviews about being heckled at in the wharf, so if you go at the weekend, pretty much Canary Wharf is empty, so you won't have any of that. Number 2 is bring a dry bag. There are places on the boat to store things that you want to be kept dry, but it isn't that big, so if you're taking cameras or clothing or other things on the boat, it would be very handy to have. The only tricky part of the navigation is when you have to go under a pedestrian bridge. You have to lower the funnel of the hot tub and duck down for a bit, although I thought it just added a bit to the fun. A good tip for when you're finished Wetherspoons is just around the corner, so that's a great place afterwards to get a bite to eat and drink some nice cheap booze. All in all, it was a very successful day, everyone seemed to have fun, we got a little bit pissed and enjoyed ourselves very much.
Not salt, I couldn't find any salt.
I mean, that's all sauce.
I was gonna say that looks like a very much
I couldn't
like
find any
sauce.
salt.
He turned up any.
Oh yeah, I did, I picked it up.
You idiot! What the?
The last thing I have to do today is see my dad off on the train. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time.